Vikas. You are watching my YouTube channel Vikas Server. Today I want to show you a small review and unboxing Crocs Bayaband clog sandals. So it's made with pure rubber. You can see I already cut it this pouch before. See, it is the Crocs brand sandals. Its MRP actually 3,495, as you can see. Country of origin Vietnam. And I got an invoice from Amazon.in. See, now is going on offer. Actual price is 3,495 and I bought this one, you can see 1,747 offer price. So now you can see I booked number 8 for male or for female number 10. Is the overview of sandals bottom side. Very softy and lightweight, very nice. It's very comfortable for the feet. There is iconic Crocs comfort. Side you can see there is the logo branding Crocs and a small crocodile kind of trademark. It's an international brand. You can get all over in the world. So first time I bought it, this company Crocs. So you can use like this behind of feet or upper portion of the feet. Now I am removing this. Just have a look and see by wearing this how is it comfortable. So you can see it's very nice and fitted. Actually my fit size is 8, so I booked also 8 size. I'm very happy and satisfied with this product. So for today this much. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like my video. If you like, give me a thumbs up for this kind of upcoming videos. Do motivate and subscribe my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you.